Hey there, smoothie lovers. Today, I've got a game changer for you, the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender. This cordless blender is perfect for those on-the-go smoothie cravings. With an 18 ounces vessel and powerful blending technology, you can whip up your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. The Ninja Blast technology and stainless steel blast blade assembly make it easy to blend through even the toughest frozen ingredients. And with a separate power and blend button, you won't have to worry about any unintentional blending. But the best part? It's easy to carry, with a comfortable hinged carry handle and an easy open sip lid, so you can blend and drink in the same vessel. Plus, the lid and vessel are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. And the cherry on top? It's rechargeable, with a USB-C compatible power base. So say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to blending freedom. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender and take your smoothie game to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing products and reviews. Cheers to happy blending.